Shots in his head like rumors. Worldwide map on the MacBook. Whole plan laid out, one load. Straight to fun of this gospel. Cut the weight when colossal. Prop game flipped in a week. He turned proof in a peak. Yeah, red symbol, future of futures. Yeah, yeah. Turn one trade to a move. Yeah. Straight to fun it. That's the blueprint. Turn one mind to a unit. Let's go. Worldwide, he see the growth coming. Whole globe on the wrist budget. Red symbol, future of futures. Easy doors where they see shutters. Trade if I tag on the login. Whole squad they logged in. Took a little edge, made options. Took one city, went global, no stopping. He don't chase these positions. Plays the wave, not conditions. When he talk, reach the scripture. Hold the world in the picture. Red symbol, future of futures. Turn one trade to a move. Straight to fund it. That's the blueprint. Turn one mind to a unit. Worldwide, he see the growth coming. Whole globe on the wrist budget. Red symbol, future of futures. Easy doors where they see shutters. From the crib to the skyline. Easy growth in a flat line. What's a wall to a timeline? He already passed that sign. Red symbol, future of futures. Turn one trade to a movement. Straight to fund it. That's the blueprint. Turn one mind to a unit. Worldwide, easy to growth coming. Whole globe on a wrist budget. Red symbol, future of futures. Easy doors where they see shutters.
Jaw set, eyes up, wrist slow.
Muscle in the mirror, thunder in my chest. Every scar story, every loss a debt.
Short fuse, tall odds, whole room feels small. Steel in my veins, I'm built for the fall. Pressure on my neck, still walking tall. Bottom of the mountain, I'm laughing at the drop. Heartbeat hammering, I never ever stop. Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the doubt off. Watch it drop, bank on chop. Yeah, you know I'm all I got. Go long when the red line says to stop. Go long till the last breath, last. Chop, 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 rhythm in my blood, it knocks. Bank on chop, I'm the blade that never drops. Grind lines, deep cuts, sweat falls, no luck. Jawline concrete, back straight, locked in. The world tries to fold me, I just dig in. Weight on my shoulders, turn it into stars. Every hit I'm taking only sharpens up the rock. Go long from the bottom to the top. Go long, every limit gonna pop. Chop, 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 cut the fear off, let it chop. Bank on chop, put it all up in the shot. Go long when the red light says to stop. Go long, hear the echo when I drop. Chop, 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 step by step I never stop. Bank on chop, cause I'll always beat the clock. Shut at the top, long at the base. But from the grind, not a pretty face. Short at the top, long where it counts. Stacking that strength, add it up, it mounts. Hey! Go long from the bottom to the top. Yeah. 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 She was trading gold for a decade or so, and it's heavy to hold, but she carries a load. Can't compare to the gold, it's incomparable. They say everything gold, but I'm checking the code. Every single investment I get in my zone, but they never the best, it ain't ever the most. Her level of flexing, she never opposed. Never the type to be shy, never the type to get goals. In her zone, she's so cold. I try to win her heart, but I know it's already sold. And she don't got the time for somebody she can't control. And I can't waste my life on somebody I can't console, but I'm holding on her hope. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, the gold queen, I said the gold queen. Yeah, I fell for the first time I heard the phone ring. The day she said she met a man who tried to sell her a dream. And she said, no thanks, I got enough already, but you get in my team. She's traveled the world and made a living off of any place with Wi-Fi and electricity. She's still getting money if it's connected to the city. And still no man in her life that can keep her in life. And it's worthy of a legend in the making. A woman who can live a whole life off of trading. They called her Jane, she was born in the 80s. But there's no way I could put my heart on the line. A woman with the confidence to look in my eyes and tell me she could change my life if I give her my time. And there's no man on this planet who would try and let it slip out of his fingers in the night. And I power of a woman with a brilliant mind. And I was lucky enough to call her mine for one night. So if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. If you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I'm still down to do the right thing. I mean, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, if you see the gold queen, tell her she's the only one I need. And I'm still down to do the right thing. Yeah, I said I'm down to do the right thing. Gold queen.
Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. At the bottom with my people, we gon' build us up a steeple. We just need a ladder, yeah, a long ladder. Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. Man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, man, I just dropped a couple hundred shares of fate like them good old boys. I ain't got much to say, no. Yeah, yeah, yeah. The light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah, the light was there the whole time. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. Ooh, I'm blessed. I could see a green line if I went blind, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Ooh, I'm blessed. If you see me on the rise, don't be surprised, and every low is a higher low. And if you don't know, now you know. Now you know. The light was there the whole time. Yeah. see it so clear. All my dreams right in front of me. Yeah, I see it so clear. I know what it takes, but I feel so far. So close, yet so far. I see it so clear. It's right there, but it feels so far. So close, yeah, so far. See, it starts with a spark. I mean, the real reason why you start trading in the first place, right? That little glimmer of hope, that vision you get of the life you want to live, that desire, the one you think about all the time, but it feels so far away. And the problem with this desire is that it creates anxiety, impatience, frustration, and ultimately pain. So close, yet so far. 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 So close, yet so far.
Goes for educational purposes only and is not financial.
HQ can test the bottom side
Only trade with
board.
money you can afford to lose. All commentary represents personal opinions. You are solely responsible for your own trading decisions and outcomes. Do your own research and consult a qualified financial professional. Viewing the show does not create an advisor-client relationship.
Another Green Bay. Oh shit, bro.
Awesome. What's up, everybody, and welcome to the Power Hour special with your boy Maestro Javi. And today we got our special guest with us, Coach, the big dude, Coach. Let's
What's
go,
going on,
Coach.
everybody? What's going on, man?
Coach, how's your day
Power
today,
Hour
brother?
with the killer himself.
Let's go, man. I'm pumped, man. We had too good of a time yesterday. We had way too
We
good of a
definitely
time
did,
yesterday.
Caught
Oh,
bangers
my
at the
God.
same time.
Exactly, man. We did. So we're gonna see how today goes, man. How was your day today?
It was good, man. I mean, I made 600 across all apexes, 500 across all TPTs. It was a good morning. What about you?
Yeah. Same. I'm up there. I haven't even tallied it up. I think I'm well over 20K for the day today. I had one pro that I almost hit 5K, and I had to kind of stop myself because I was having a little too much fun. Here, I can show that. Let's see how much fun I had on it. Let's see how much fun I had on it. I don't like to look at reports and shit, but let me look at the reports on this because according to this, I took 385 trades.
Damn.
I mean, I obviously trade micro, so it's gonna inflate it. So that's the thing with that. 70, like I don't look at stats and shit. Like it says 77.66%. My average trade was 50 seconds, longest was 4 minutes. So I had fun with that pro there. So that's a nice fat payout coming in. I've had a pretty nice start to February, man. Like pretty nice start to February. Took out 34 this morning. I'll be taking this out later. I got potentially another 6 coming on Friday, tomorrow. Just have to hit those milestones tomorrow, man. So
Let's go, Javi.
hell yeah, man. Bro. Birthday month. Birthday month's gonna be a good month, right? Birthday months tend to be good months.
Wait, you're a February baby too?
Yeah. When's yours?
What's your birthday?
Mine's February 25th.
Oh shit, man.
When's your birthday?
Tomorrow.
Oh, tomorrow? Fuck, hell yeah, man. Happy early birthday, brother.
Appreciate you, brother. You too, man.
Dang, man. And my son's birthday is on the 8th.
Super Bowl Sunday.
Yeah, baby. He's excited. Juan, happy birthday to you, Juan. Look at that. We got some February. We got some, right? When does the Pisces season start? Is that already? I know part of February. I don't know. I don't even follow that shit too much.
Aren't you a Pisces?
Yeah. That's why
I think Pisces season starts by like the 15th, I think.
Yeah, that's why I thought it was mid-February, because people always tell me that's why I feel so calm around water. And I don't believe like that stuff too much. Because it's vague. Like when you read it, it's kind of vague. Like you can match it up to a lot of people. And I married a Scorpio, so yeah.
A lot of people swear by that.
Yeah, a lot of people do. A lot of people do swear by that. But you know, there are some parts of it where I'm like, yeah, that's pretty spot on. But there's other parts where it's like, yeah, maybe. Like I used to be artsy, not so much anymore. But like I'm the calmest around water. Like that's my thing. Like around water, that's where I feel at peace. And that's why I can't wait to move to Florida because I'll be surrounded by water.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be feeling like you're everywhere is in Zen.
Yeah, exactly. But you agree with everything it says about me. You agree with everything. I agree with everything it says about you. You don't agree with anything, Omar. She's saying Scorpios agree with everything. I don't think so. Aren't Scorpios kind of known for like being super detectives, which she is.
I
My wife
definitely
is a
thought they
super
were like very
detective.
protective. Yeah.
Very protective. Yeah. See, I don't know, bro. Shut up before I tell your girl you hit on Izzy. Pedro. Pedro's back at it again.
I got
Pedro
Pedro.
comes out to me like he might be an undercover horn dog. Like he talks sometimes a little bit, but he definitely be like horn dogging it out there when he sees the girls come up here.
Bro, his girl isn't home. She's at work. That's why he's horn dogging
That's
right
why. Yeah, come on, Pedro. Lock
at
it in,
around
bro.
5 p.m. He's fucking silent.
He's like, oh my god, please don't. All right, Dom's starting to go crazy right here. Dom is starting to go crazy right here. It's kind of a random spot because I don't have anything. Oh, SPX is at bottom side orb. SPX just hit the bottom side orb. Dom is going crazy right here. Let's see what is. I don't see anything for me until maybe 669 if it gets down there. I kind of want to see SPX break bottom side and fill that gap. There
I
goes right
can't.
there. As soon as I said it, there goes.
I've been
I
yeah.
want to see.
I jumped in shorts at 90, and
Damn,
we're
man, you're up good.
printing. Well, yeah, 690. I'm up
Oh,
10
690.
cents
There
so
you go.
far.
Yeah, 669 is the area. I want to see SPX fill this, but NQ is definitely showing a lot of weakness. If it rips through this, I have a lot of room down
Hell yeah, I
to
want to see us touch
575
bottom side
potentially.
order.
And then bottom side orb is a 652. Yeah, that's right below
Mhm.
that 669 level. So let's see what it does right now. Yeah, it actually just bounced off this bullish candle I have over here at 6. What is this level right here? 676. Literally just bounced right there. Need to see it break this, then that level below if it wants to go any further. Let's see.
Got a pretty
SPX
fast stop
currently.
above that wick, so I'm not
Yeah.
too bad. I'm not tripping on this trade at all.
I'm not buying any pull up on SPX until it breaks this guy right here at 810.70, 810.88. And then after that, it would need to break 813.52. This guy right here for any potential flip to come up, which could occur. I mean, this is bottom side of orb. When was the last time we came down here? We did break it once before. Huge break back there.
Nice.
SPX is
If
kind of
we can get a
frozen in
flip, that would be
place.
fucking good.
I don't think it's ready yet. It's telling me this wants to go down. Yeah, there it goes.
Nice
Right
flip.
there.
That's the flip I was looking for. We need to follow through
Yeah.
now.
Yeah, the Wiccan flip. It looks like it may get stuck down here. It may test this area a few times. SPX kind of setting up for potential 3Z here. I want to see that gap get filled. I think SPX. There it goes. Okay, it's going
Oh,
right now.
nice.
There's that gap.
Nice.
There it goes. Yep, there
I'm
it
up
goes right
15
now.
points rolling or 20
All right.
points.
There's that gap fill. All right, now I want to see
Nice.
what it does here at 669. Gap has been filled. If 669 holds and SPX pops back up over orb, there might be a potential. But until that happens, I'm not looking at it until I see 6,800 get tested on SPX. There's that little bounce right there. Hit 72.
No, my trading view's in dark mode. I thought it was. I switched to the dark mode. That's why the outsides are like black. I thought this was
That's
dark
weird.
mode.
And on your chart, everything looks black?
Oh, you're talking about the actual chart, like the chart itself. Oh,
You're gonna have to change
okay,
all your
okay.
colors. Yeah.
Oh, I don't know. I like it like this.
NQ showing a little bit of strength here right now. It's showing a little, does not want to break that 669. SPX is looking like it wants to pull down a little further, but it does not. It's not kind of following at the moment. So NQ is showing some strength, and there it goes. It just went. I didn't see a clean entry for me personally, so I'm not taking this at the moment. But this is not a bad area. But again, I want to see SPX. There's SPX pulling back over orb right now, but it needs to close above. Now NQ flip weak. The stop here would be 10 points. Still, oh man, I'm not fully sold on it yet until at this candle closure. SPX kind of struggling to break back over orb here. Yeah, I'm not buying it just yet. It's struggling to close back over. 1 second, close right below. And then the next candle popped right above. She might go here. She just left the building. Damn it. She left the building a little bit. It's still not fully. I don't think it's gonna pop up too much. It's got to break
Oh,
over that.
yeah.
There it goes. There it goes. Yeah. It's for me. There it goes. Okay, there it is. Yep. Now it needs to close above that 810 over here where it just popped up. The next candle needs to close above that for this to continue to go. Until then, she might get stuck down here. So that was quick. That was just super quick pop. There was no way I would have caught that. There was no way I would have caught that.
Mm-hmm.
That would have been the fastest, like 20 some points right there, just on that little level hold. But SPX rejecting right here, right? Look at that where it rejected. Right at that 1090 area. It hit 1137 and quickly pulled down. But I want to see if this can break back below. Again, this is potential here. I mean, NQ flipped weak, but SPX kind of looks like it wants to go. This would be a re-entry point, and it's kind of going. As a stop loss would be 71. It's 15 points. There it goes. There it goes. I took it with 3 micros.
I'm in there with 3 micros too.
Yeah. There you go.
That's crazy.
Already got the 10 points. I got the 10. I'm gonna see if it could pop up a little further to 732. I'm already at break even on my last 2. I got 2 micros left. I'm up $40 on those. Oh shit! I took this on my pro. Here it goes. Okay, got one more out here. I just got one out here on that little pull up because I don't know if it's gonna really break through. If it takes me out break even here, it's the only reason I took my second one out there is because I'm on the pro by accident. But I did take that on the pro. There you go. I don't. What was my pro at before? I just added a little bit on this with the 3 micros. All right. So let's see if it can pull up a little further.
Good. We need that extension.
Yeah, just added. Let's see. I want to see SPX stay above the 610.86 if it can. Next, we can see SPX pull up to 13, and maybe NQ will follow suit. For the time being, I just added. I don't know how much that was at before. But I just added a good amount on the pro right there. That trailed me out on the pro. I'm happy with that for now because I did not realize I was on the pro. Let me switch over to another account that's not the pro. There we go. Stop calling me, you freaking telemarketers. God, you got so annoying. I got to change my number so fast, man. I swear.
You got to get that. You got to get that spam blocker.
Dude, I've had those. They call you from like 20 different phone numbers. It doesn't matter. Like you can spam block every single number, and they'll call you from local numbers, and then they'll call you from like Virginia and Texas. It's mad frustrating. I mean, right now the range zone is literally the 680 to 700. You can keep scalping that until it breaks one side. The bottom side will be 73 and 70, but I caught one right there. I just switched to a new account. This looks like it's kind of reeling to pop up here again.
I'm trying to see if we're gonna pop and stay over. I want to see ES break back in the orb.
Is that what it's exactly called? Spam blocker app?
So it depends. It depends. What phone service do you got?
AT&T.
So AT&T should have a call filter app. That's literally what I used to do all day, every day, bro.
It gets mad annoying. Like it gets mad annoying. They like non-stop, like every few minutes. I mean, bro. Yeah, just dude, you, like these.
No matter how many you block, it doesn't even matter. They're gonna call you.
Yeah, they keep calling you. Like no matter how many numbers you keep blocking, they keep calling you. Like I said, it's mad annoying. Look at that. There's another 10 points. I scalped that again. All right, there you go. But this time I went to a regular account. I'm collecting that pro money. Like I made so much on that pro. I don't like to give it back. I added a little bit on it at first, but there he goes. Like it's just the 680s keeps popping up to the 700s, and I'm about to get trailed down on my runner if it pulls back to entry. I got in at 87. All right, SPX needs to start
And for me, I
cracking
want to see us
over.
fully breaking the orb.
There goes again. SPX breaking over there again. Oh, there goes. My runner is up 20 points. Guys, this is like literally like mad scalping right now. Like mad scalping on ground right here. My runner's up. Like, this is just anything in the 80s. Let your runner run. All right, if this could start breaking out here, if SPX could continue to run up, SPX again, next area will be 13 here. And just like that, right? I collected so many points today. I don't even know. There it goes. Little scalp opportunity there. Anytime it pulled back to the 80s, it was good. I got trailed down on that little pullback. I'm happy with that.
I don't know. I see it breaking back inside. Trying to see if I can get a retest, and I'll be in there with you.
Roll only, son. You're down to 80 today, but green of the week, dude. That you're down to 80, and if you can stop, bro, that's okay, man. That's a talent. I keep telling people like leaving a day red is a fucking talent. If you can stop on a red day, right? And this is why I don't look at my P&L. If you can stop when you're red, that's a talent. That's something to be proud of. A lot of us can't do that. A lot of us cannot take a red day and stop and then control ourselves. We have to make it green. And guess what that leads to? Tilt and then the inevitable blown account. So gotta give yourself props for that, brother.
It's so hard to just take a loss and walk away from the computer.
Yeah, it is. It is. That was my crutch in the beginning. Early on, that was my weakness. Is I could not take it. I could not take a net red day. I hated it so much, and I'd rather blow the account than accept it. And it was so dumb because I blew so much money doing that.
100%.
So much.
100%.
Yeah, when you only had one account, it was hard. See, that's the thing, Juan. When you only have one account, it should be easier to do. Like it should be easier to stop, but it still isn't. That's why that's such a talent. Because no matter what, exactly, because like I was in the state of need, right? Like I needed this shit to work when I had no work, no job, no nothing. And even then, I was still popping in left and right, like not taking care of them, having no stop losses, blowing them left and right. That's the same thing you told me in December. Now I take my red days, yeah. And I show that one prop that I trade, that I have those red days that stop me on those daily loss limit days. I show that one on purpose because that's the one that keeps me in check when I do have my fun and I want to go degen. Look at that thing pulled all the way back down to the 90 area.
704, 20 points so far.
Yeah. My 2-minute is triggered up. My 5-minute, the 5-minute could trigger. This is not a nice trifecta setup here because I didn't get the trigger on the 1 minute. But if this continues to pull up over 30, yep. And look at that, right? SPX
a little bit there, and we're rolling.
13. There you go, Coach. You're still in it. I got trailed out.
20
Let's go,
points.
Coach. Let's go, brother.
Sure,
I got trailed out at the 30-point mark, but I'm happy with that. Still going. All right, this was that area I was looking. I wanted to see what it would do at 669. It hit 72, then it hit 73, and then it started staying above 80, and then it was just 80 to 700, 20-point scalp room.
Try to take this to the quarter point. My first target will be 745.
Let's go. Let's go, Coach. There it goes. It's racing. It's racing to it. Yeah, I have a resistance area at 758. Yep, so it's very close, bro. SPX, I have room for SPX to go. Like SPX can keep running if it wants to. It needs to stay above 813.64. Very nice, Coach.
Nice. That's a nice wick. We just need to fucking follow through. I'm 10 points away from first target. We can smash that. I will be happy. Even if we don't, I'm guaranteed $200.
Coach, you're when you get happy, you're like droopy, right? You're like happy, and you're like you don't change your face. You're like just like I'm happy, but you look the same.
Yeah, you know. I mean, no. You could kind of see when I'm happy, but you know how it is.
Yeah, you got that. You got that like straight face where it's like doesn't you like you can't tell whether you're happy or pissed. Like you could have won $1 million, you'd be like,
my resting face is pretty stone cold. I'm not gonna lie. My resting face is stone cold. That I know. I've been hearing that all my life.
Coach is still. Am I frozen to everybody else? Or you got one guy that says frozen? I'm frozen. Come on. Why is it always me?
No, it's Discord. Discord's been tripping, bro. They've been telling me that in the pre-market too. Let's get that flip and let's go. Can I actually be a little bit more aggressive here? Because if it's gonna go, it's gonna go. 720. Move my shit up to 720. Moving stops up to 720. We're 10 points away from target. Like I said, I'm guaranteed $200 regardless. Oh, they're just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Oh, we tapped the wick and we wicked out. We gotta feel that fucking wick. Definitely want to see it. What happened to my boy Harvey?
And I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm back, and I'm
Oh,
back.
I bet.
All right, yeah. If Discord doesn't,
Athena, one and done. Good shit, Athena.
very nice, Athena. If Discord doesn't do this to me at least once a day, the world's gonna end. What's up? You're almost
Well,
there.
we're
Coach.
getting up there.
First CP.
About 5 more points.
You're almost there, bro. You're gonna get it. I think you're gonna get it. This is the only 58 is that area where I would be cautious, but let's see if you can get up there. It hit 39.75. This is setting up for a 2-minute 3Z up here. It's got that little pop.
I'm not gonna be a dick about a tick. My fucking stop was 745 and went to 42. I'll take
there it goes.
that.
There it goes. 43.50 right there. 5 minutes setting up for a push. Needs to break 58 next. Doom. Let's go, coach.
Boom.
Look at coach.
Coach
I'm caught
trailing,
a banger.
I'm trailing. I'm gonna trail pretty aggressive. Keep mine at like 726. That's why I'm gonna trail mine at.
Look at that, y'all.
And we chilling, risk free. I don't give a fuck what happens.
No.
Risk free.
Yeah. This 5 minutes setting up. If it could stay above 720 here, this 5-minute candle has 4 minutes left. 4 minutes left, so it could start ranging a little bit. I want to see this last 5 minutes.
I'm taking out of that trade for 300.
Hell yeah, bro.
300 per account. Good shit.
Immediately going down. So when this 5-minute candle is about to close, I want to see if it closes above 20. Okay, just going up. Never mind.
Dirty.
Wicked flipped your ass, mad. I wanted to see a little bit closer of a retest to get in, but it didn't. It gave you 722. That was pretty close. 722 and it bounced hard, but I want to see this 5 minutes.
Ooh, did me dirty.
Did it? And there's 45.
Ooh, did me dirty.
That was still what, like 60 points for you? 50 points?
Yeah, that was still pretty decent. Yeah. Oh, that was like 40, about like 43 points.
Yeah, dude, that was a nice ass trade. All right, 58 is the next area. 58 can break. I have a lot of room up. Potentially 821, 795. 795, then 821. And 795 would be around midline of orb. After that, I would have the top barrier at around 820 before we get to the stack level up atop at 834. Did I move this thing by accident? I did. Right there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Nice push, dude. That pushed 720 and then just took off.
Oh my goodness, did me dirty and flew up another fucking 20 points.
Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm recording. I'm recording today. Yesterday, I was so pissed with yesterday because yesterday was such a fucking good show. And I'm an old idiot. Oh man, it's just ripping. There's no respect for those levels right now at all. Just ripped right through that 58. Literally 13 points overshot it. So this needs to start closing, holding above it. I mean, I know you guys can kind of see it, right? Either 2-minute, 5-minute signal hitting. The 1 minute did not give it to me. So it's not a clean trifecta. But it was close. It was close.
Trail too close on that one. That's an extra 50 points I'm missing out on right there.
And Quantum Gang, I hope you all can see this, right? Failed bearish move after failed bearish move. Every time it broke those purple candles, look at that move. Each time, boom, 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 boom.
They can't see your chart, Brody.
Oh, shit. Share screen. That's right, because I had to freaking get out of here. All right, here we go. All right, Quantum Gang, let's do that. Let's go over that again. All right, this is what we've been feeding off of literally the last week or so. Failed bearish move after failed bearish move. This was the initial break that I was looking for up here at 10, then 13. Once it broke each one, boom, boom, boom. Big move up. Next one's all the way up here. All the way up here.
Why is my snipping tool not working? It's always something.
What a move. What a move, coach. You'd be up almost 100 points right now if that didn't
Yeah, I would be up
do
over 100
you
points.
good.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, bro. It is what it is, dog. I decided to trail aggressive, but it was a reason for it. I'm not mad at it because it's all hindsight. Trail close for a reason because the quarter point was there. Have a couple of areas there, so I'm not. It is what it is. But I mean, that's a 90 point move that is on right now. 90 points away from entry.
Yeah.
90 points away from entry.
SPX breaking midline. That would have been the move right there. That was our early move. It held that bottom side. That would have been the 100-point play for the day if I held on to it. I took it for 30 points. I'm happy with that. I'm not gonna catch the big move every single day. I don't care.
Exactly.
You guys saw how much I made today, right?
Exactly.
I didn't even do the math. Who did the math? Who did the math for me? I know somebody did. Was it over 20? I think it was over 20. Was it or not? Probably. I don't know how much I made today.
Compound those gains. I ain't tripping.
Yeah. Passing 4 FFF. Very nice. Isn't it crazy how we've been catching these big moves over the last few power hours in the beginning? You took that not perfect trifecta, Madhouse. Madhouse, you have been killing the trifectas today. I've been watching you, bro. Your charts, man. You're gonna be the trifecta king. Everyone has their setup. Like everyone. Some people feed off the range, the quantum ranges, the failed bullish and bearish. This Madhouse guy has been feeding off of the trifecta, like all day. And then Scat, dude, Scat's been doing a number on options using quantum. It's been kind of cool to watch him do that.
Quantum works on options as well.
Yeah, it worked. I used to, but because like options is scary for me now after like I lost so much money doing it, I kind of avoid it. I did like a couple times. I mean, you guys saw that one contract of what was it? QCOM that I flipped from 180 to like 2,800, 2,500, whatever it was. So every once in a while you'll find a gem like that, a gem setup. But I don't like to play with it too much. Because then you start getting that little FOMO feeling. And options, you have to like really understand the Greeks, the burn, the IV burn, when everything's like volatile in hell. So it's a whole different beast. But seeing what some of these guys can do with it, it's freaking amazing. Yeah. Yeah, Bobby knows what I'm talking about. All right. It looks like it's going to retest that level break. SPX rejecting this.
I've actually never even looked at an options chart. I never heard options so much until I got in this Discord. I didn't even know what it was.
Yeah. Oh, really? Never touched options?
Like I had I've never even heard of that shit until I jumped in this Discord.
Consider yourself blessed. Consider yourself very blessed. It is a fickle, very dangerous world to enter. Like selling options, what Max does with selling options, I think is genius way to go about it. Like buy 100 of a share and just sell the freaking options. It seems like it's very low risk way to make some passive income.
Options will make or break you. I mean, everybody in this chat seems like they're killing options. Everybody's always talking about options.
We got booty. We got booty in here. I remember booty. Booty led me to one of my biggest options trades ever with Tesla. I made like 13K off of a Tesla booty call.
Excuse me, Javi. Did you say booty?
I said booty. Yeah, everyone here does say booty. I mean, I made 13,000 off of a Tesla booty call.
Off a booty call.
Booty call.
That's legendary.
I see why he did that. He fits in perfectly here. He fits in perfectly.
I'm not gonna lie, that's legendary. No, Sam G. No, we behaving, Sam G, but I'm just saying you gotta admit, but that's legendary.
Yeah.
You gotta admit it, Sammy.
Yeah, man. When he joined us, I was like, oh shit. I was like, welcome to the team. Like, I remember when he made that call and I was at the grocery store. I was out in Utah with my wife and we were at the grocery store and I was in that play. My phone pings and I'm like, I just made 13K on this one. And that was all thanks to booty. Gotta love booty, right? Right?
Hey, I gotta meet this guy. Booty.
We love booty.
Most definitely.
All right. Oh man, that's so good. All right. Let's see what happens here. Let's see if this starts curling back up for a potential higher low. I don't see anything decent at the moment. We're just kind of hovering. The big move played out. We got that long from the bottom a little bit, right? I scalped a couple times, then hit it for that 30-point break, pulled back, took me out. Coach rode it up to 43. So he rode it up way better, caught a nice bigger play, and now we're just kind of like, I mean, I'm getting a short signal here, but it's kind of tight. I mean, it's not that tight. Could come around to 33, 30 area, but the stop loss on this is at 80. That's 20 points. I don't like that, especially because this could be a potential higher low.
Mhm.
Oh man. All right. When do you trade, Javi? Whenever I see a setup and whenever I see range form, I trade all the time. I can trade 24/7 if the market was open that one extra hour. So it's what, 23.6 or 23.6 is what I can trade.
Yeah, 23-6.
Well, there goes, right? There goes the move right there. Look at that, right? It was a 20-point stop loss risk. I didn't take it just because it doesn't fit my criteria,
Mm-hmm.
but I could see it happening. It had room. So I'm not going to take every single trade, right? You degens absolutely can. You're not financial advice for JJs, but right, I can see it doing its thing. There it goes, all the way down to 23, 25. Now here, I want to see if it can hold this. SPX filled that one gap, and if it can't pull back and push itself back up, we might get a break of this level here. These moves are violent. There it goes.
If we can hold under 25, source is very, very interesting for me. It
This
looks
would
like
be a bounce
we
area for
broke it.
SPX. Yep. Wow, what a push down. This would
Fucking broke it.
That-
Look at that push.
now that 20-point risk looks good, but this would be an area where there could be a little bit of a pull up around here on SPX. This right here. So I want to see if it shows any signs of strength. It looks like it is pulling up a little bit. It's just that 723 can't break. If it can't get back over 723, we might get some more push down. But that was a little bit of a push. NQ showing a little sign of weakness there. Little sign of weakness there. SPX might try to hit that 809 before. So looks like NQ showing some weakness here. NQ's next area would be all the way back down to that 680 where we got that initial move. We did get a lower high on the 5 minutes, so this could. But let's see if it breaks back over 23, 25. If it can't, definitely going to see some more down push. If it breaks over, we might see a little bit more, some little retracement back up to that 770 area. At the moment, failed it hard. There's SPX at that 809. NQ kind of showing some subtle strength here. NQ showing a little bit of strength.
We're pushing.
Yeah.
I'm expecting a push. I want us to break orb. Skin, what up, bro?
All right, there goes. I caught a little bit of that bounce off 700. That was it. Just on that level down there, but that was a quick 10 points. Already got chilled out. That was just quick. There's no way to call these guys, especially with yeah, YouTube having like that slight delay. There's no way to call these quick ones, these quick moves. But this is the area. If SPX can't pop over 809.86 again, we're gonna see some more down push. But NQ showing some slight strength over here. SPX did break the low, but NQ is not moving. There goes NQ. There goes NQ. I'm going to take my one out here. And then I got my runner running now. That's just how I scalp, y'all. Just held that little bottom area. NQ showed a little bit of strength. Held that 700 area. That's a psychological level. I'm up 15 points on my runner right now.
25 area now.
Yeah. There it goes. If it cannot break over 23, it's coming back down a bit. But if SPX can reclaim some of these areas where it broke under, we might see some more pushing coming. I could see it trying to come up and retest all the way up towards 70, but it has to break through 23 first. If it can't, then it's gonna be a no-go. And that was just a quick scalp right there. Yep, I got trailed down in that pullback right there. And could not break 23.25. About the same right
Nice.
now.
I'm on 5 points.
Yeah, there it
I
goes.
see this shit
Nice,
can fucking hold.
nice rejection on that 23 area.
Mm-hmm.
Now let's see if it can start breaking underneath 90. It breaks underneath 90. Next could be 87. I'm sorry, 80. What is this? 85. Then 85 would be that next little area before the 70. The 70s again. And QSPX. Wait, did SPX?
Nice,
SPX
nice.
left a little gap down here at the bottom side of orb.
But like 12 points so far. I want to see us test the bottom side of orb if we could, bro.
I see it. The trifecta is forming, and I did not see it until right now, Madhouse. Look at that. Madhouse saw the trifecta set up. There it is. This could start pushing down. You know what? It does look like it could start pushing down, but the stop loss right now would be insanely high, all the way up to 24. And this needs to start cracking underneath 80. Might be
Did you see Bitcoin? I don't look at Bitcoin. Who told you I looked at Bitcoin?
Yeah, I don't think anybody here looks at crypto.
He asked me if I see Bitcoin. Like, I look at that shit.
Look at that. There goes a little down push. Already got my quick 10 points. This is just giving you 10 points galore right now. I had my stop over 700 on that. I got in at 93.55, got my 10 points. And let's see if it can keep going.
See the push. Let's keep pushing. Let's keep pushing.
And this was all just because Madhouse noticed the trifecta call. That was literally why, the only reason I got in, but the stop was wide. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Madhouse. Madhouse.
20 points in profit.
On that. I'm scaling. I'm scaling. I'm trailing. I don't scale in. Madhouse. Let's go, dude. Madhouse saw that trifecta before I did, bro. Way to go. Look at that. Oh my God, we're dumping.
We're going to the bottom side of orb.
I'm up 25 points right now on that short.
I want the bottom side of orb. 100%.
This was just off the 5 minute right there, literally just off the 5 minute. I know freaking YouTube can't see it, so I'm kind of like ugh.
Trailing at 84.
Madhouse, you the shit, brother. Thank you for pointing that out to me because I completely missed it. Did you catch the whole move? That's almost 100-point move for you if you did.
Let's go.
You didn't take it
down there. Let's fucking go.
Oh wow, dude, what a play! There you go. I got trailed out on one of my runners right there.
Oh, I was close. I'm gonna trail
30 points on that one. There you go. I got trailed out right there on that jump, right at that 69 area. Bounced off again.
Right out.
Hard bounce off that level. That level could not.
3 points away from TP, but it is what it is.
Hey, you take it. You take it, man. Right?
We taking profit. We taking profit.
That's right. We ain't dicks for no ticks. You have to make sure. I'm making sure I'm pronunciating my words today. Okay? I'm making sure. You guys heard ticks. No dicks for the ticks. Yeah. Got a nice deck there, brah. Like, right? That's
smash.
TP
smash. 55 smash.
There you go.
The sales. That 55.
There you go. It's breaking this level now. Breaking it hard. Wow, what a short, bro.
That was fucking player. Right to the bottom side of orb. Who took those shorts? With me, with Javi and I.
Like, even if somebody played off the signal up here, you would have been smooth sailing. Even the 2-minute signal played out beautifully. And then the trifecta setup that Madhouse saw. And I went over this at in my breakout room. Like, this is the big money. When this setup appears, it's big money. And that's a hell of a play. Yes,
you know when Javi's master fucking strategy and my strategy is intertwined, it's a wrap.
Hell yeah, bro. It's a wrap.
Most these sales, it's probably gonna sell. Not financial advice.
You know I love me, Lama shit. You probably see I'm in the freaking morning in your morning thing all the freaking time. So like here's for 7-figure, the trifecta, right? It's simple, right? Think of it like a slot machine at the casino, right? 777. You see the 3 line up on the 3 time frames, right? We had the kind of a funky trifecta setup on the way up because we didn't have that signal on the 1 minute. But look at this, right? You have your 1 minute, your 2 minute, and then your 5 minute lined up. So your entries on the 1, you can hold till that 2 minutes done, and then if the lead through continues, that runner is going to be big money on that 5 minute continuation push. That would have been 100 some plus point trade here, 120 points if you got in up at that 1 minute. You know, you can't catch them all, obviously, but it's a clean setup when you find it and when you can start reading it. Madhouse has like, dude, this was what, your 4th or 5th today? Like he's been on Quantum Chat posting all day about the trifectas. So I know YouTube can't see it. YouTube can only see my 1 and my 2 minute, but there's the 5 minute to trigger it the same way here. Let me show it. Let me see if I could push it a little bit so you guys can kind of see it right here. Like right there. There you go. So that when all 3 line up, so YouTube can see it right there. That's what I'm looking at. And then you get that 1 minute low risk entry, right? The beginning when I said the short looked good for 20 points. And I didn't take it because, you know, I have criteria. Like, I didn't notice the trifecta was setting up. But again, right? I don't catch them all. Simple. Oh, man.
But you do catch majority.
Oh, yeah.
You do catch majority, though.
I trade way too much. Honestly, I have too much fun doing this. This is like my passion now. Like, this is my video game. This is what I do. Like, I can find setups at any time of the day, other night. Right. You know, it doesn't matter, dude. And I love this. Like, this is so much fun. Like, I really loved. Like, for those of you that didn't get to go to the event, like, I loved what Pete or Einstein of Wall Street and his buddy Dan were talking about. Like, they live on this, right? They don't have to trade. They don't. Like, they are set. They go and they do their 9 to 4 because they love that. They love this. And I was like, that's why I do it too, because I love this. Like, this is my thing. Like, I finally found my thing and I love doing it so much. Like, I don't care how many people call me overtrader, blah, blah, blah. Like, I love doing this and I'm making money doing something I love. Like, right. It's fun for me. Like, I again, right, I have everything lined up for me to do what I do. And it's it's the best feeling in the world. I'll tell you guys, it's the best feeling in the world.
Fuck what they're saying. You're profitable. Fuck them.
I know. I know, man. And it's fun. It's just fun. Like, it's cool to like go through this whole experience. Like, you guys literally getting to see the birth of somebody, right? This birth of somebody that started from nothing. You guys got to see me all, you know, penned up and everything when I was like, oh, I don't know what to do. I'm all nervous. And then you got to see the growth, which is freaking amazing. Ventura, you want to learn about quantum? Go check out my YouTube channel. Like, every single one of my YouTube videos, you're going to notice how much repetitive information is in them. But I want to keep it fresh. You know, I'm about like, you know, keeping the charts fresh. Oh, I remember that price action that just happened this week. You know, I don't want to have like old content in there with price action that just happened months ago. So that's why I upload like as much as possible. I'm going to start making some content based on the individual setups, like going into detail on entries, stop losses, all that. Because I know visual. I'm a visual learner. I'm very much a big visual learner. So I know some of you guys aren't the same way as me. It's gonna help. Thank you. High five. All right. Yeah, Alex G, free chicken. Javi, do you give courses with your indicator? The indicator, so it's not really courses. I do study sessions every week. We just did one yesterday. We caught a hell of a banger trade in the process as well. And then I do a lot of Q&A. So I'm very much involved. I do a minimum of 1 session per week. If you click on my, oh yeah, you guys are on YouTube here. Let me see if I can post a link for my YouTube channel. All right. This is just a brainstorm.
Bro, I'm P2P, bro. The P2P indicator is pretty much me.
Yeah, dude, the P2P indicator is freaking fire.
I don't need an indicator. P2P indicator is for my trading style.
You know, I use it every freaking morning. Like, I tested it for you guys too, and it's I have it. I love the thing. It makes it so much easier to do everything.
Yeah, it plays everything for you. You don't even have to think.
Yeah, exactly. You don't have to even double check because your draw is right and everything.
He said the morning
See
dump
how-
is our indicator.
The morning.
The morning, yeah, because the joke is in pre-market, every time I go take a shit, the market we go straight to TP.
That's right. I heard that,
We go
dude. Yeah,
straight to TP every time.
everyone's like, "Coach, do you need to go take a shit?" Like, come on, let's go. Let's go.
They're literally asking me, like, yo, go
Yeah.
shit. I'm like, bro, I don't have to.
It's like it has to be natural. That's the only way it's gonna work, guys. The
Yeah.
strategy will not work if he forces it, just like any other strategy. If you force it, it doesn't work. It has to happen all natural.
47.
Let's go, Elroy. Past the challenge eval. Let's go, bro.
Uncle Elroy.
Let's go, Elroy. Love that, man.
My boy, Uncle Elroy.
All right, it's breaking down some more. Next area for me, I don't have anything all the way till
I'm in at
575,
47.
coach.
I'm in at 47. I took partials on that little dip, and I'm break even. Javi, are you turning me into a scalper?
I think so. I was telling Izzy yesterday, Izzy caught plays too, but she wouldn't take anything out. And then I'm like, why did you take some out here? What did you? She had like, she could have easily made like 20, 30 bands yesterday, but she wouldn't take her green when she had it. And then when she did come down, when she was like, oh, she started to take a little bit. I'm converting everybody, yo. Nah.
That's the ICT in us, bro. We wait for our shit to hit.
But for power hour, right? This is something right. We're getting so spoiled with this price action because this is not natural for power hour. Power hour is normally like 30 minutes of pure chop and then
Really?
a move. Yeah. Yeah. Power hour is I hated power hour for the longest time. Past few months, working amazing. Every once in a while we'll get trapped. All right. Oh, that's the 330 volume coming in. Every few months. Let's see if it can break back inside of orb back over 54. We might start seeing some pull up here, but it needs to break up over 54. The Dom is going nuts around 50. Hard rejection. Hard rejection. 39 is the level they got created, so 39 to potentially hold. But then you need 54 to start breaking. It's getting the Dom's going nuts at 39 too. It is going nuts at 39 here. God, these freaking telemarkers have not stopped. This is like the 5th phone call since we started the show.
Damn, it's only been 30 minutes.
Yeah, 5 times. All right, breaking through 39. Will it pop back up and close above, or is it going to close below? Looks like it wants to pull below. Might be some more down move coming in. We might. Oh, there it goes. Look at that. Wow, violent. That was violent. Yeah, if it cannot pop back over 39, then we go back down some more. But it might come up to retest a little bit. If not, then we're coming down. We might see that 575, man. We might see that bottom area. Yeah, NQ definitely looking super weak. SPX also looking.
I keep getting hit with candles taking me out just to go back down.
Yep, SPX just broke that bullish candle as well, so that's definitely a sign of a failed bullish move, big time. But it needs to stay underneath that 39. If it breaks over 39, it could start raging in that 39.54 again. The Dom's going crazy at 30. The Dom is going crazy at 30. So it did start speeding up here. There it goes again. Yep, it starts going really, really, really fast here at 30. It's pulling down again. Yep, there it goes. And yeah, there it goes. That was a nice little quick one right there. Yep. Let's see if it can start breaking down some more here.
My next trade is going to be a sniper.
Back up. Now it's testing it again. If it breaks 30, 39 will be tested. There's breaking 30. All right, there goes 39 next. If it breaks over 39, back to 53. If it stays under, we might see a
Max, get the fuck out of here, Max.
What's Max doing?
Max,
right,
get the fuck out of here.
Here. If this holds, we're going to pop back over the 50. If it breaks back down, it's going to retest that 30 area. And then that's kind of your stepping stone right now. All right, let's see what it does here. 30 seconds. 30 seconds. Dom's going nuts right now. What's Max? Pocket rocket head ass boy.
Oh, shit. He fired my ass up. Oh, shit.
Oh, snap.
Oh, shit.
All right. That's rejecting that 39 heavy at the moment, but it's staying close. I want to see what this candle closure does here in 9 seconds.
I'm not gonna take
9
that from
seconds.
somebody with the player build of Eugene Krabs from SpongeBob.
My
Mr.
God.
Krabs body ass nigga.
All right, look at that. Closure over
Carol
39.
Daddy
Oh God.
body ass nigga.
Okay, that just left. That was too fast. That was right into 53 again. This is too fast. It's just way too fast. There's no like way to not take these with as smooth. Yeah, all the way back down to 39. You rejected 53 again. Like, wow.
All right, Max, chill, bro. You gonna flame me to the smithereens, bro? Can I breathe? You just hit me with a whole 10 piece.
YouTube's joining in. Mr. Krabs looking ass. This guy. The hell?
Come
The hell
on,
you?
bro.
I thought you loved us. I thought you loved us. Come on, YouTube. I thought you loved us, guys.
Oh, is that 2
All
for
right.
1 stand for it?
I'm
Bro, this man's
potentially.
going extra hard, bro.
I'm liking the short again a lot.
Yo,
It's just
chill out, Max.
stop would be right above 56, man. That's a 30-point stop loss right now. That's way too up there. But at this point, it's just gonna go. Yeah,
Ooh,
there it
boy,
goes.
I took that shit
There
at
it goes.
30.
Yeah, I mean,
Ooh, I
it's
took that
just, you
shit
know
at
what? The
30.
risk is high as hell right now. There it goes. Already up 15 points off of that. It's just dangerous. It's just so dangerous, though. That's the only thing. Like, I
I
could
can
have
get
the
used
stop
to
at
this scalping
35.
thing, bro. I can get used to this scalping thing.
It's just quick in and outs, and you know. All right, got trailed out on my
Scalping is
runner
all right.
there.
I'm up 427 per account.
If it could
This
stay
scalping is
underneath
all right.
35, yeah, I want to see if this thing could stay underneath 35 now, potentially. But if not, this could be our range spot here. If it pops over 35, if I see a blue boy pop up, this could be a range spot. We got about 10 minutes for MOC. Rejecting that area again. The Dom starts. Yeah, Dom's going nuts right here. Dom is going buck wild right here. Uh-oh, something's about to happen. All right, here's 35. Something's about to happen, y'all. It's either going to rip up over 35 or is this about to reject hard? Rejecting right now. Dom is going wild. Yep, there's a rejection. Dom is going wild. Something's triggering it right now. And I did get back into it. I got a 31 entry. I already got my 10 points. That is just so fast. It's just so fast. Held below 35.
Right when it
I
flips,
couldn't even. I
crazy.
couldn't even get the 35 entry. It gave me 31. It gave me 31.58, and I still got my 10 points off of that. Let's see how far more it can go. So if it can go, it can go. If not, I'm gonna get already. I took that with 6 micros too, just because that risk was so low. And there we go. Trailed out on my runners. And back up again. Do I want to test it again? Ah, man, it's just touching it too many times. I don't like when it keeps testing it too many times. Yeah, good thing I hesitated there. But if it does break back down below, I'll be interested again, potentially. But this is getting nuts right now. The Dom is going buck wild right now.
So what's the Dom, Javi?
The Dom, the super Dom. It's the depth of market. So it kind of see. Like oh yeah, look at that. Ripped over 35, now it's ripping. I didn't even enter this. And if it does, I want to see it rip over 53. That's where I would be interested in a potential entry. Break 53, retest and hold. That would be an entry for a long. So here, I'll take a snapshot of it so you guys can kind of see it, all right?
Depth of market. So I guess that volatility?
No, it's like where you could kind of put your market order thing, and some people use those numbers as potential things. I don't pay attention to the numbers. Yeah, so right there you hit market buy, market sell. All right, still struggling. Ooh, okay, we got bluey now. So we got bluey. All right, so below 29.50, above 53. 54.50 actually. It's 54.50, and right now would be 29, and it's already breaking it. But I want to see it break, close. I want to see it close and then retest and hold below it. So it's not broken yet. So our range is almost the orb. It's very close. So 654.25, bottom side will be 629.75. That's what I got so far. It's trying to break below it. Still popping itself up. 2 minute looks like it wants to pop up a little bit. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And ooh, it's pushing down a little bit. And did it close below? It did not. It closed inside. Yeah, there it goes. Look at that. Look at that. How it closed inside and then just spiked up a little bit. All right. And you see, I see this all the freaking time. I see this all the freaking time. This is how I scalp fast the way I do. Close right above 29. Quick pop up to retest that little rangy range. Look at that. 2 minute is curling up. I do have, like I said, I have a retracement all the way at 73. Like from here, like there it goes. It's already running. The 29, you're already, if anyone got in at that 29 hold, you're up 15, 16 points right now, literally. All right. And then, you know, let your runner run. And if your runner gets taken out on a pullback, it gets taken out. It's still inside of this square. As long as it stays in here, this is where it could potentially just keep bouncing back and forth. I do want it to kind of like, you could make a little bit of a midline in the middle, right? Around the 43 area, right? Where it's kind of like struggling to hold above. Once it starts holding above it, then there's a chance it'll test the higher part. Right? It's actually doing it right now, kind of, but needs to stay above. Then you may see a test back up to the 53 area. This is how I dissect. There he goes. Look at that. This is how I dissect my charts. Look at that, right? Oh, like it's magic. It's not. Look at that. Oh, I love doing this, man. All right, there he goes. There it goes, guys and gals. Oh, beauty. I have 1 micro on. Oh my God. There's there's the push. Running. I have 1 micro running on it. Yep.
1 micro running right now.
1 micro running on it. I love doing this so fucking much, man. This is so fucking cool. Oh, I could come back and retest 54. Ideally, it will not fully come down there. If it does, you want to see it close above, and you want to see the next candle continue the push up. There's the closure. Let's see if this one retests it. If it breaks back in. If it doesn't, more push up. Or if it breaks back into the potential range. 2 minute, 1 minute. It's kind of lining up. All right, there it is, pushing back in. And again, right, I treat these like kind of orbs, so that midline, if it does break back in, I want to start seeing 40 hold. But if this closes above, more push up.
Is my snipping tool not working? I want to put my screenshot in the damn chat.
There's a potential shot for this to come all the way up here to 774. There's a potential shot, but this thing needs to start really pushing and staying above here.
Random 5 minute.
And right now it's trying to break back in. It's got 10 seconds left. 2 minutes giving me a potential sign for a push, but then this needs to start pushing over 665 and holding. Right, this whipped up to 79, hard push back, and we're back inside the range. It closed inside. Needs to start popping over 54 again.
I know, Paul, and it's just not working. I've been using it the past 2 days, but I don't know. It's probably, I don't know. I mean, I don't care. It is what it is. I'll probably just take it with my phone.
Yeah, it just wants to play in the range again. Looks like maybe. What's my SPX actually formed a 5 minute level 2. SPX might be ready to go. Left 1 little gap below. And you say NQ start staying above that 54.50. It has to reclaim it. Stay above and then push right back up and start holding over 65 next. If we're going to see a potential 5 minute push. It's struggling to break back over right now. It is struggling to break back over. So this could be our potential. Yeah, there it goes. I got trailed out already on that pullback into the range. I'm eyeballing a potential re-entry point, but not sure. Not sure where yet. MOC is in about 7 minutes. Ooh, 7 minutes. I got no levels around here right now. Yeah, there's 40 right here.
Oh, I mean, I'm in at 43. Oh my goodness.
You got in the short?
Yeah,
There's potential
at 43.
Here. Below 29.50. Nice. To close below. We might see the same thing happening here on the bottom side. Back to 29.50, but it needs to close below it. It's just ripping right through it.
Nice.
MOC is in still 6 minutes. Look at that. Nice. Oh, wow. You caught that? You caught that, brother?
Yeah, I'm in there at 43.
All right. Now it needs to stay underneath
Got in on the
29.
flip in the respective bottom side, or once I seen us crash back in and we wicked and flip, I took it.
Hell yeah.
Oh shit. Oh
Oh
shit.
wow, look at that. Look at that.
Oh
That's
shit.
this is something that I've seen, and I was talking to the quantum session the other day about how these moves had just been, it just rips, right? If you have 29, it'll just rip through it. Like if I have 53, it'll just rip through it. And we're seeing that again today, like instantly, like just melted below 29.50, immediate down melt. Broke back inside the range, could not hold below, tested the whole thing, ripped below, all the way down. This is crazy. Oh man,
I was
this
going
is
for
just
580. I have levels at 580. If I can survive this, that's exactly where I'm targeting.
580. Yeah, I have that. I have 575. So yeah, you're pretty close to where I'm at.
No, yeah, 575 is the level because I think we're talking about the same thing, but the I always do it like 4 or 5 points above because I've been burnt before.
Yeah. Oh yeah, no, I actually have a quantum level at 575.25. If you have a level there, that's what I love about when it lines up like that, brother.
Mm-hmm.
When it lines up like that,
I have a level literally right there, bro.
that's where I'm
Come on,
eyeballing.
580. We need it. Want this 5 minutes to open up with a steep bottom wick.
Dom's going nuts. All right, here
I'm out.
needs to stay underneath 29. Needs to stay underneath 29. I'm gonna see for potential. There we go. There we go. There we go. I got in on this one. Oh, that was violent. That was violent. That was a 10-point stop loss for me. Stayed under 29. I got in with just 3. 3. I'm up $100 on 3 right now.
Perfect.
Oh my god, that was clean, dude. That was a 10-point stop loss on this one. I entered with 3 micros, trailed out on 2. I got runner running. God, this is. I love these market conditions. I love it. Just so much easy.
I'm using between 3 to 5 cons, and I'm up 580 per account right now.
And I'm only trading one account right now. Well, I did catch that little bit on that pro, but I'm up 890 now on this account. This account I started with, it was like 200. So I added like 600 on it during power hour. This was like 2 something.
Golly.
Yeah. Yeah, dude. That 30-point push up, that 30-point drop earlier, this one right here, and the other couple of like that 80 bounce that was occurring earlier. It adds up so fast. MOC is still 4 minutes away, figure. Still not yet. I would love to see it get down all the way down here to 575.
Mm-hmm.
If it can get down there before MOC, that would be beautiful. If it doesn't, we're hovering in between. I don't have anything in between to read off of. SPX would be around 785. Then I would have something to read off of. At the moment, right, it's about to form a level here. It's about to form a level here at around 610 on this next couple minutes, potentially. If this keeps pulling down, then I might have something like 575 to 610 to keep an eye out. But we're hovering in a like kind of a no level zone, if you want to call it that right now. So I don't have a clean read at anything.
Yeah, this looks good, Javi.
Yeah, there it goes.
There's nothing that should stop it, to be honest.
Yep, I have nothing either. 611 right now. I have that level at 611. 575.
Oh, there we go. There we go,
baby. There we go. Oh, I got trailed out. I got trailed out already. Damn it. I thought I was trailing it pretty good.
You're gonna sit with the whole edge of it. No, what's so crazy? I'm not even using the quantum indicator. Javi's strategy is lining up with mine. To be honest,
yeah, it does that a lot. Like my shit lines up with again, right? I in the breakout room I talked about the power of confluences. Like I have confluences with everybody. It's what I love. It's like makes it such a powerful tool. And the DOM is depth of market. Some guys are asking about that. The depth of market. How do I identify the levels? I go over all of that in the quantum sessions. Avami, like 629. I have it up here, right? If you look at my chart right here, that bullish candle right here, that was at 629. Right above, right here, that purple candle right there, right, ripped up. Obviously ripped up violently and then rejected hard. Could not keep going. Then it failed to stay above it, broke back in. Then it broke below that one. Now we see the down push. Now, quantum is building the levels for me as well with the action lines. Below 611, we have room to 575. So we got about 1 minute, 40 seconds. So we're really close to 611. So I'm eyeballing 611. That's the level we're the closest to right now. So that's the level I'm going to be paying attention to for MOC. And I would be very cautious with MOC today, guys. Violent moves. Last couple MOCs have not been violent. Do we have any major earnings today? Base hits Alaskan. There you go. Look at you, baby. Look at you, baby. Very nice job, Alaskan. Very nice job. All right, 600 is a psychological level, so we need to start seeing it hold below as well. But that 611 needs to hold. We could see it retest 611 here. We got about 50 seconds. And we're hovering in between the two. I want to see which one gets tested. There could be a chance where it'll just melt straight down too. We've seen that before on previous MLC reads. There it goes, right up to 611 again. We have about 30 seconds, so it looks like it's going to stay close to the 611 here. And it's trying to create another level at 600. All right, be very careful, guys. This is hugging 611 right now. This is hugging it. It's going to create this level at 601. This could just ping pong here, but over, under. Right now, it's trying to stay above it. It's trying to stay above it. So it's above it. And let's see what happens here. It's 5 seconds here. It's struggling. This is a tight one. Honestly, this is a tight one. Oh my God, dude, that was wild. That was barely a push up. That was barely a push up, but now it needs to hold above 611. If it breaks and holds up, it was holding at 611 for a little bit. That was whoever was able to get out of that. If you were even in it, like kudos to you, because that happened too fast. That held above 611. I saw 200 in like a second, and I got out on half of it. And now I have a few micros left. I just want to see what's going on now. And I didn't get much out of that. Right now I'm just hovering, and if it does not break below, if it stays below, now we're below 611. Now it needs to break 601. And if it breaks 601, we're going to get some more down push coming in. Let's see what we got here. 601. There goes 601. Now it needs to stay below. Or you don't. This is where I'm being cautious here, because if it gets stuck in here, you're going to get ping ponged here, and this is where I don't want to get ping ponged. So I'm going to wait for candle closure. And if it goes, it goes. I already flipped sides. There it goes. There it goes. 4 micros. Oh my gosh, there it goes. If you caught both sides, if you caught both sides, you're more ninja than me. I'm gonna tell you right now. If you caught both sides, you're way more ninja than me. I only added a little bit on that. Like there you go, guys. Very clean, held above 611. If anyone caught both sides on that initial pop up and now they break down, you are way more ninja than me. Like that was insane. There he goes. I got my runner running. I'm up almost $1,000. Oh my God, still going. There's 75. There's 75, coach. There's 75, boy.
5. Damn.
Yep. And look at this, right? Look at I know YouTube can see this. Look where it rejected. Right where I had my lines. Remember that 629?
Yeah.
That's where it rejected. You guys seeing it? All right. You guys seeing this? I hope everyone's seeing this.
Clean.
There's 75. Bounce off 75 currently. Easy money, guys, gals. Easy money. If anybody was able to catch both sides, dude, for real, that was too fast for me. I could not. I got half out on that push up, then got taken out at break even for the rest, and then rode it down. Still going, baby. Look at that.
Yeah, that shit is still going.
Look at that. My entry was 605 too. Like I didn't even get the best entry on the way down. And I'm up 35 points right now on my runner. There you go. I got trailed out right there. Almost 1K. 993 was my final number. I got trailed out right there. 993 was my final number for power hour. Right. 200 of that was plus the 100 and something I made on the pro. Minus 200, almost 800, just literally a handful of micros. 3 micros. I don't think I went over 3 micros at all. The entire session. Still managed to make $700-800.
That's what you call consistency.
I mean, like, where else can you do that in 1 hour?
Right.
Like, where else? Like, that's what I'm telling you guys. Like, that's why it's like, remember what you do for work, right? A lot of us go to work and we work 8, 9, 10 hours for $200 a day.
Right.
Just made 4 times that in less than an hour with very low risk 3 micros. 20, 30 point, 40 point swings at a time. Insane.
Rejected
Insane.
75 on the dot. Well, 60, 68. But look how it's rejecting that area. That's why we have those areas, because we obviously know that something weird could happen around those areas.
Yep. I have sauce box in here with the level. That's where it's currently bouncing. Ooh. Ooh, wow.
That's where we're getting our bounce from.
But I'm done. Yep, and I'm done. Right,
That's where we get
Coach
our
had a
bounce.
level. You had a level there too, and that's
Mm-hmm.
usually free money, brother. Like when you have sauce box, my levels, and your shit on there, it's free money
It's a wrap.
every fucking time. Look at that. Look at that. 20-point bounce off of that area. Again, I'm done. I'm not gonna catch that. I'm just not. I'm done.
Yeah.
Is it?
Amazon earnings after close. Also, we have earnings when market close.
Is Amazon tonight
Yeah, I
after
think it's
market
going to
close?
Amazon tonight.
There might be some volatility tonight. There might be. Maybe. It depends on what they're earning, because that's definitely a big dog. And I know they got affected a lot with some of the shutdown and stuff. They got affected with the weather too. So, oh my God, look at that bounce from that area, Coach. That's 35 points so far.
Clean.
30
Just
points.
just off our area alone, you could have just clicked the button. You would
Yeah.
have been up 30
Oh,
points
look at
by
that.
now. You would have been up 30, 40
Still
points
going.
by now just off
Oh my
our
God.
profit target.
Look at that, guys. Like clockwork. Like clockwork.
Mm-hmm.
Love this
I
shit.
mean, I'm happy with the profits today.
Oh yeah, dude, I'm good.
567 per account. I'm cooling.
Oh,
In an hour.
1 hour. Look at that launch, dude. That's still going. That's 50 points from our profit target. From that
Mm-hmm.
575 up 50 points already. If any
Mm-hmm.
degen took that shit, it's setting up for a potential trifecta here too. But the be careful, because the volume's about to die. There's your 1 minute. There's your 2 minute lining up. If this continues to hold over 630, maybe the 5 minute lineup. But I'm not touching this. Be careful, because when the volume dies down, it's gonna just do some funky shit.
Mm-hmm.
You're trailing Milan. I mean, Milamo's in it. Yeah, Milaman Sanchito. He's trailing. You caught that rocket chip. Way to go. There it goes. Look at that. Still going. What a move, dude. Wow. Look at this. Sauce box. Some Coach Lama sauce in here and a quantum level all combined. Like I was saying, like I've said it so many times, free fucking money.
Free money.
Free freaking
Literally.
money, man.
When
Literally.
they line
Yeah.
up, you can just fucking click the button. No financial advice. But I'm
Not
just
financial
saying.
wise, yeah.
But I'm just saying.
Oh man. We eat at MOT Athena. That's right. We eat, baby. Like the moves we've been catching these last few days have been insane.
Insane, bro.
Like we
It's up
accumulated,
266 ticks from profit target, Ollie.
yeah, we've accumulated well over 140, 50 points today in 1 hour, easily, like ridiculous.
My trading has never been better since the event. Hell yeah, I know. After the
Athena,
event, I know a lot of people was locked the fuck in.
I made my pro account today. Yesterday I made 3K. Right, I had 2,400 already sitting in a withdrawal. I have to have one more good day tomorrow to make another 6K. You're not the only one, Athena. Like I feel invincible after the event. I told my wife, I came home, I was like, man, I feel so good about everything that happened. The fact that we were up there in the stage in front of everyone and we did what we did, like
Insane.
now I feel so unafraid of the world. Like I feel like I could take on everything and anything. But then I also have to be like humble myself too still and be like, okay, still chill, still do your thing. But I've been on a heater this week, like an
Hell
insane
yeah.
heater.
And that was kind of crazy, that fucking sell-off on Power Hour.
Yeah, look at that. There's the trifecta setup again, doing its thing. Look at this, guys.
Still
Insane,
running,
right?
bro.
Still running.
Still
You
running
guys on
for
YouTube
profit target.
you're seeing it live, right? This is live market everything. Like you guys are seeing it live. Like this is beautiful. Love this, guys. What a freaking day. What a freaking day. Look at that. Almost got to 100 points from that area. Yeah, man, what a beautiful,
We had so
beautiful,
much
another
traffic in
beautiful
that one
power hour.
area.
Yep. Breaking back, trying to break back inside of orb here. Currently rejecting a little bit. But that's it, guys. That's it. That's all she wrote. Another amazing fucking power hour. Woo. Hope you guys passed some accounts today. Hope you guys made some bread. I don't think we hit a losing trade at all today. I don't think we hit a losing trade at all. Yesterday I had one. Today I don't think I had a single. I was very patient. I scalped here and there, but I did not miss a single trade today. Freaking amazing day. Wow. Even
shit
like that
prime
initial,
time, bro. You've been
that
killing it
initial
ever
short.
since.
That was a 20-point risk, ended up being a 100-point play. Yeah, prime time. Look at you, prime time. God, prime time. Let's go, dude. That's what? That's 6. That's another 6. That's 12. Dude, you made like 20K, dude. Way to go. Very nice.
Done also with the
Very
TPT
nice.
900 on the TPT Pros. Good
Look at
shit.
Luca on the pros. Luca, there you
900
go,
on the
brother.
TPT Pros. Now that's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
Juan, hey, there's a lot of people already doing it. It's not just me now. You should go, if you ever decide to grab quantum and just go look at the chat, you're gonna see I have a little army built of people that are scalping the exact same way I am. It takes a little time. Like if you have to, I want to make this. I just want to say this part, right? You have to kind of come in, kind of like an idiot. Like don't come in with your biases. Don't come in with like, oh yeah, I know all this and that, and it should do this and that. Don't come in with that because then you're gonna be like, what the hell's going on here? Like if you come in like you're just learning, you're brand spanking new, and you just watch what this thing does, holy crap. The Dom just went buck wild right now. You're gonna start seeing how easy it is to pick up when you're just looking at the same thing over and over again, the same patterns over and over again, right? But we're all different. We're all different, right? You know, I some of us may take extra time to learn, some of us may not. I've had guys that come in day one and already pick it up fast as hell. And then some of us that need a couple weeks, up to a month. Dom went nuts, man. What this ain't Amazon earnings? Yeah, there's something happening right now. Somebody's
Yeah,
announcing
that's something.
something.
That flip, that was a very volatile candle.
That's because I have a retracement. Again, I was eyeballing this and I didn't think it was
200
gonna
candle.
happen today. All the way up here at 775, 774. If it gets all the way up there, I'm gonna be like, holy shit. I'm not playing it because this is just nuts. But that was an insanely aggressive volume move right there. Look at this. Look, oh, whoa. See, this is why I don't play this shit.
This
Look at this. Oh, look at that.
shit like
This
that.
was a
I gotta
100-point
stay out.
candle. That's a 100-point candle right
Yeah,
there.
I gotta stay out of that.
What is going on? That's a 100-point candle that just
Mhm.
appeared in 1 minute.
Shit
What
like that. You
earnings
see
is
what I do? I just hover my mouse over this X on TraderVate, and then I just click the button.
dude? What earnings just came in? This is earnings, 1000%
I
earnings.
am done for Power Hour. They said Amazon.
Amazon. I thought okay. Amazon came in. All right. Oh my god, look at the DOMs going nuts right now. Like I can't even keep up with it. I'm guessing not very good, or it's just undecided, or what is going on here?
Just cuffed that 4 bands. Good shit, bro. Fuck around account and found out. JL Hustle, that's what it is, bro. Got to come back tomorrow and lock in.
That is an
Come back
insane
tomorrow and lock in, brother.
Let's go, JL Hustle. Let's go, man. Gotta fuck around and find out, bro. Yeah, gotta learn from that loss. That's why I stopped. Like I religiously stop after MOC candle. I'm done. Like after MOC, I am done. I'm not touching shit. Because I've seen a big FU candle appear out of nowhere at like 357 or 402, even when there's no earnings. Like just out of the blue, boom! You're like, what was that? Look at this thing; it's still going. It's still going.
It is going.
It's gonna go all the way.
You know what's
to
so
test
crazy?
that
My first
75 again.
position in the sales was 709. If I would have just held,
Yeah,
it'd been a hell of
maybe.
a move.
Coulda,
Just did a YOLO. Flames, be safe.
Coulda, shoulda, woulda. But yeah, Flames, be safe. This is insane action that we're seeing right now.
Bro, did y'all make me a Asian baby?
They made you an Asian baby.
They made me an Asian baby
Oh,
with
look at
dreads.
that! You're half Asian in there.
An Asian baby with dreads? A Chinese Jamaican?
Baby coach be looking smooth though.
Bro, having a full beard as a newborn is wicked work.
Yeah, I got a big body.
Work.
I probably had a big body as a baby too. You know what? I probably did have that big body as a baby. I probably did. I have to ask my mom about that. All right. Looks like
ATC, bro. Y'all are crazy with this AI shit, bro.
dude, they are. Like AI is just ridiculously scary right now. I'm kind of being dumb and scalping this for some reason. And for some reason, I'm just doing 1 micro at a time.
Cause you love the
Just 1
game.
micro. I know. Just 1 micro.
Ain't nothing
Okay,
wrong
I'm
with
done.
it.
I'm done. I just did that little bounce off 87 right there. I'm done. It was a weak bounce. I think this thing wants to keep going down. Who knows? 75 could get retested, but I'm done. I gotta stop. All right, y'all. Let's do a little quick indie giveaway. Let's do a quick weekly indicator giveaway. I need something to take my mind and just stop looking at the charts because this looks like it wants to. If this breaks this 70 area, this whole thing right here, if it's breaking 70, if it breaks 60 next, I have a shit ton of room down. But I don't want to touch this. I just don't want to touch this. There's
Yeah, I had to
so
take
much
that.
room for me on the way down, dude. I just don't want to touch this because this is that it has to break underneath that 60, like almost on the money. It looks like 59 something. It's kind of going right now. If it stays below that, I have a ton of room down, but I don't want to even look at it.
Good
I
shit,
don't want to
Flames.
even look
That
at it.
YOLO paid off. I see you were safe.
All right,
You told her to be safe
y'all.
and she passed an account. That's
There you
safety.
go. Very nice, Flames. Yep, bouncing
That's
right
what
off
you
of it
call
so
fucking
far.
safety.
All right. Let's go for the giveaway. Let's do first on the Discord. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Random number generator. All right. How many people we got up in here? We got about 448. All right. First number, ooh, clean 250. 250. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Z Lucas. You got MOT tag? No, you don't. Z Lucas. You gotta have the MOT tag. Maybe next time. On to the next. 126. 126. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ah, they switch 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got MOT tag? Yes, you do. Orion W. Orion W. Orion W. You're part of the Gold Queen King crew. Come on up. Look at that. Look at that. Held that 58. Held that little box right there. Sauce box holding strong. Bounce right back up. Sauce box holding strong right now. Could not fully break sauce box. Boom. All right. Brought my almost blown account back from the dead. Let's go, Sauce.
Good
Let's
shit,
go,
bro.
dude. That's good shit.
That's some of the best feelings in the world.
Yeah.
That's
I
literally
used to
some of the
test
best feelings in the world.
I used to test myself with that shit back in the day. When I would have an account that was like 200 away from drawdown, from plopping, I would be like, all right, let me see what I could do with 1 micro. And I would bring it up. And then I would get impatient. I'd be like, fuck this.
Mhm.
Because I'm too
But it makes you
impatient.
feel
Like,
good as fuck that you could do
yeah.
it though. Like it makes you feel good as hell. Like, yo, I really just grinded this from mine damn near about to blow. $200 for blowing.
Psycho Danny says, I can't hear any of you, just the guest. I don't have the guest up.
My boy's hearing voices.
Orion, I'm back. All right, you're back. All right, let's bring you back up, Orion. I'll
My
invite
boy
you one more time.
Danny hearing voices. We haven't had a guest up.
I know.
I think it's about time we get a charts a break, Danny, because I think that's just fucking with your brain, Brody.
Hey, what's up, brother?
I'm good. How you guys?
What's up, bro?
Good, man. Dude,
Yeah,
I'm kind of
good, man. So
confused.
I have to rejoin because the audio drops. I don't know what happened.
Okay, you're from the UK. You kind of look like
Yeah.
you kind of have a fro, but not really. You look like you might be like mixed race, but I can't tell, dude. I'm so lost with the. I'm like super confused. I
Yeah,
don't know
yeah,
where you're
I'm
from.
mixed. I'm
Where
from.
are you originally from? Oh, okay. What are
I
you
was
mixed
born.
with?
I was born in the UK. Born in the UK, but
Okay.
I'm half English, half Ivorian. So West
What is
Africa.
Ivorian? Oh,
So
okay, cool,
it's next
man.
door to Ghana, West Africa.
Nice, bro. Okay, yeah. 'Cause I was looking. I'm like, I'm like, I always try to look at people and be like, can I guess what they might be from? And I'm like, no, I can't tell this guy. Like, I just couldn't. How was your day today,
Yeah,
brother?
it's a good day, real good day actually. Up on all the
Fantastic, man.
accounts. Yeah, I
Let's
passed
go.
the FFF yesterday, and I'm up on that today, so it's good. It's going well.
That's these guys with the racism stuff. Come on, you guys know I love everybody. I love everybody equally. That's amazing, bro. I'm glad to hear that, man. Hey, go ahead and open up a support ticket, brother. You got access to a full week of any indicator of your choice. Obviously, we have a beautiful
Sweet.
choice: PHP, Quantum, Range Breaker, Advanced Orb. So go ahead and pick out whichever one you want. You want to see before you decide whether you want, PHP. Go check out Logan's YouTube. Quantum, I got my stuff in mind. Range Breaker and Advanced Orb, we don't have a whole lot of content yet. I'm gonna try to work on some because I feel like they're neglected, and MVG obviously of course. Our MVG is like the sleeper goat. But go check those out. I'm glad that you had a good day, brother, and we'll see you on the next one. All right.
All right. I appreciate it, man.
All
All
right,
right,
man.
see you guys.
You got me.
All right.
Peace out. Awesome. All right, YouTube. I want you guys all to spam coach. Spam coach. Get your free week of any indicator of your choice. Let's go. Yeah, spell it right. That's right, Athena. Spell it right. I'm only looking for the K's. Not.
Who got the keys to November?
Let's go. Oh my god, dude! Look at that rip from the sauce box that could not break. It tried to, it failed, and immediately popped up. All right, let's go. All right, boom, 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 boom. Black Dog 2616, dude. I swear, I'm getting set up here to like save this stuff after yesterday. All right, Black Dog 2616, you are the winner. Go ahead and open up a support ticket in our Discord, brother. For a week. Did I spell it right? I said Black Dog, dude. Oh my god. It's blood. It's Blood Dog.
Oh, Blood Dog.
Yeah. It's not making me look good, y'all. I keep blowing it myself. Make sure you open a support ticket. Especially after yesterday, man. Damn it. I love everybody. You guys know that. I love all of you guys and gals. You know that. You guys got to see me. I hugged everybody. I love everybody. Everybody's my friend. As long as you're nice to me. If you mess with me, then you're not my friend. Then you're gonna see the dark side of Javi. I will flatten you like a pancake.
And coach.
That's right. Egg coach. That's right, y'all. I will sit on you. Okay. I will literally use my weight against you. I know it's a strength of mine. I'll throw coach at you. No, we're gonna do that move where like, you got the guy, you swing him. I'm just gonna hold coach, I'm gonna swing him around. He's just gonna kick
Oh
everyone.
yeah, we're gonna knock his ass out.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna knock his ass out.
All right, open that support ticket. Oh, there's this Paulin. Claw, get your man. Claw, she can't control me. Yeah, she kind of can. Okay, I'm lying. All right. Last one for the Discord. And today I'm gonna flip it up. Yesterday we gave away the account to the Discord. Today we're gonna give it away to YouTube. Okay. Today we will give it away to YouTube. So I want to kind of give YouTube a little bit of love. All right, let's go ahead and do our next free week of the indicator. 106 is my number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Chris, it would have been you, but you don't have the MOT tag. Make sure you guys, if you're in here, to be eligible to win, adopt the MOT tag.
Hey, L-Mans for Chris. L-Mans.
Came up here.
L-Mans for Chris.
L's for Chris.
L-Mans for Chris. Gotta get that MOT tag.
1, 2, 3. All right, Jerry. Do you have the MOT tag, Jerry? Let's take a look. Jerry, you have the MOT tag. Gerald. It's not Jerry. It's Gerald. Gerald. There you are. 99860. You have the MOT tag. You are eligible for the free week of any indie of your choice. Come on up, brother. Let's go, Drew. Look at Drew.
Click someone's
Look at
MOT
that,
tag in
Drew.
their name, guys, and just adopt the tag. It's pretty simple.
97, almost 10K, Drew. Let's go, brother. This is the most successful funded account ever.
Shit,
Now
Drew.
take care of it, Drew. Take care of that baby.
Can you hear me?
Go. I
Good
can
shit,
hear you,
Drew.
brother. You got your camera?
No,
My
sir. I'm
boy.
sorry. I'm 67 years old and I don't have a camera. I just trade.
Oh, okay. No problem, Gerald. You know what? I'm feeling like, we're gonna be giving today. Go ahead and open up a support ticket. Claim that free week of any indicator of your choice, brother. All right. And you enjoy that. And how was your trading today?
It was fantastic. You guys are so great, man. I've been doing this for a while, and I'm actually not doing it for myself. My wife passed
Okay.
about 7 years ago, and she wanted my two sons to get out of the works that they were in. My one son, he has makes great money, but he has an autistic child, and he had no family life. And she wanted
Oh,
me to see
wow.
if I could get them out of that. My other son is a parolee officer, and you know how bad it is out there now. And her last wishes is for me to do that. So that's what I'm doing the trading for, is to get them to a point to where they can do what I'm doing when I'm gone and just make sure that I've done what she wished.
I respect that, brother.
Shit, I respect that, Brody. I respect that a lot,
Yeah.
bro. I respect that a lot.
Yeah. Yeah. That's doing something for the family is like the best why you can
Yes,
have.
sir.
I'm a big family man on that. I'm kind of doing the opposite where I'm kind of using this as a crutch to also I've been helping my father and my mother lately. My father's kind of going through a little bit of a work slump thing too. And he's up there in age as well. He's in his 70s. And now that I'm in this state where I can do that, like, that's an amazing thing to do. So hopefully they feed off of that and they feed off of that, that you're doing your best to give back to your family and
Hell yeah.
that pushes forward, bro. You know what? Yeah, I agree with everyone in the chat. Let's throw an account your way. Let's throw an account your way. We're
Oh,
gonna give you one of these FFF accounts. All right. Open up a support
oh,
ticket, get a week of any indicator, and we'll throw in an FFF account your way as well. All right.
oh.
Hey,
Thank
Jerry.
you very much.
Hey,
That's
Jerry, keep
very,
holding it
very,
down,
very
Brody.
well appreciated.
Keep holding it down, man. Keep holding
You
it down.
guys have a wonderful and blessed day and keep up the great work. That's for sure.
Appreciate you.
Thank you,
And
Jerry.
good luck on getting on YouTube.
Thank you, brother. I know we're gonna need it, absolutely. But thank you very much, man. You enjoy the rest of your day. Keep tracking on, man. Keep tracking on. I wish you the best.
Thanks again. Y'all have a wonderful day. Bye.
Yes, sir.
Bye. Oh, awesome, man. Awesome.
Gotta respect somebody that's trying to hold it down for the fam. You
Yeah,
always got my
and
respect. You holding it
and
down
he's
for the
doing it
family
at 67.
at 67 too.
At 67. So insane respects for him. Insane
Mm-hmm.
respects. All right. So YouTube, I'm still giving you guys that one. If Max has me doing 20 push-ups to give it to you guys, I'll do 20 push-ups for Max. All right. So you heard me, Max. It might take me about a week to do them, but I'll do them.
Wait, why do you have to do 20 push-ups?
Iffy because we're giving away 2 accounts today. So he might be like, Javi, but I'm giving away 2 accounts. So let's go. All right, everyone. I want you guys in YouTube. You guys want that FFF account? Spam me FFF. FFF, baby. Minute or so, get everyone the chance to go in there. Then I will pick that YouTube winner. Market is now. Calm down. Look at that move it made. All the way to that level at 31 again. Rejected. Came back down. It's actually not moving bad for after hours at what, 418? It's actually not moving too bad. I need to stop looking at it. I gotta close my charts in. What is this? An alert? Nothing spam. All right. All right, time to choose. All right, let's see what we got in here, y'all. Ba-da-bum, 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 ba-da-bum. Nah. All right. The winner will be. I'll look in spirit. This guy has Logan's name. Logan I cannot read that. I cannot read your name, bro. Whatever that says
What's his
after
name?
Logan. It says Logan IUDICIANI. Logan Udishani?
Yeah, I don't know what the hell.
I have
What the hell that name is.
so Logan Indushiani. Open up a support ticket, brother. You are the winner and of an FFF Premier account, I believe, is what we give away. Open it up in the Discord and claim that free account. Congratulations, y'all. Amazing, guys. Oh my god, there's a dump. It's dumping again. Ripped right through that 60 for 30 points immediate. Dude, this is moving after hours. This is scary because I do not want to look at it. I do not want to look at it.
Right.
All right, y'all. We got about an hour and 40 for Coach to take a little break before spliffs at 6. Thank y'all for joining us today. And another amazing session. Logan is out. We're not sure when he's coming back, but he's taking care of stuff. I think he posted something about it on his socials. So he's coming back Tuesday. All right, so giving him his space and time. Obviously, he's always here in spirit. I always love my brother. He's my brother from another mother, especially after that event. We all kind of became family after that. So it was
100%.
amazing to meet him in person and see how freaking awesome he was and how actually jacked he is in person. And that's gonna be my goal. I'm gonna become little Logan 2.0. Hoagie will be born over there in Florida when I'm over there. Hoagie will be born. So, so y'all make sure you guys tip the staff. All right, you those that went to the event, you saw the hard work that they put in. Make sure you guys, please, buy them a cup of coffee, buy them a lunch, whatever it is. They are in here 24/7, helping y'all do everything, going above and beyond every single time. I feel like sometimes I bug them too much, and they're always loving and great. And I love the staff here, every single one of them. Guys, check out my YouTube channel, our socials, right? Instagram, TikTok, all that fun stuff. For any information you guys want to see about quantum, that's my channel. Anything you guys want to learn about PHP, or you got Logan's channel. I don't know, Coach, do you have anything YouTube wise yet?
I have things YouTube wise, but it's more just content instead of like not really, explaining P2P or anything like that. But Lama does.
Yeah.
Lama does have a YouTube channel, The Trading Lama, and you guys can tune in with that. 100%.
Yeah, so go check out Llama and Coach's YouTube, guys. Go subscribe, do all that fun stuff, right? Subscribe to Max Options Trading. Here, if you guys liked what we did today, join us every afternoon for Power Hour. You got Max and Llama trading in the morning, as well. And it was a hell of a time, Coach. Appreciate you being here with me. As always, another good day.
Yeah.
You got anything to say before we hit it?
Nothing, bro. I appreciate you having me. Another successful Power Hour with the killer himself. You guys make sure you tip the staff. Get yourself a coaching with one of the coaches. Get yourself educated with one of the courses and lock in. Splits at 6 in about an hour and a half. If you're not there, your mom's a hoe.
There you go, guys. Don't let your mama be a hoe. All right, y'all. Thank you for joining us. Not financial advice with JJ's. You already know. Peace out, everyone.